You know the worst feeling. Shengahurl, feeling that instant spark, and then realizing you're invisible to her. She looks right past you. You might try to fix it by new clothes, change your hair, fake some confidence. But deep down, you know the truth. You haven't actually changed. You still feel that hesitation, that insecurity. Here's the reality check. You don't need to be perfect to impress her. You just need to change your energy. I am going to share the 7 secrets to go from a forgettable face to an undeniable presence. Shiku and ignore. Secret number 1. The silence that speaks. Insecure guys talk non-stop just to prove they exist. Confident guys communicate through presence. When you walk into a room, don't rush to fill the silence. Be comfortable in it. Silence isn't awkward, it's loud, and it shows you are secure in your own skin. Secret 2. The eye contact game. When you look at her, remove the hunger from your eyes. Keep it calm. Most guys look away because they're afraid of being caught. Holding her gaze tells her, I'm not trying to impress you, I'm just comfortable with who I am. That feeling of safety is magnetic. Secret 3. The unpredictable vibe. Predictability kills attraction. If you're always available and always reacting the same way, you become an option, not a priority. Be a little mysterious. Create some distance. Make her wonder what you're thinking. Secret 4. Master your movement. Anxiety moves fast. Confidence moves slow. Stop fidgeting. Walk slower. Speak clearly and deliberately. When you control your body, you signal to everyone that you can control your environment. Secret 5. Depth over small talk. Stop asking generic questions like, what's up? Be the guy who actually listens. Ask her what she fears or what she dreams about. When a woman feels truly understood, she feels connected on a whole new level. Secret 6. The aura of self-control. Don't be addicted to her validation. The most attractive trait is being unbothered. Don't let a compliment boost your ego. And don't let rejection break it. Emotional control is what separates the boys from the men. And finally, secret number 7. Purpose, energy. This is the most important one. Women are drawn to men who are chasing their goals. If your entire life revolves around impressing her, you lose. But if you are laser-focused on your own mission, that passion creates a gravity she can't ignore. Listen, this isn't a magic trick. It's a complete transformation. Stop trying to impress and start being impressive. Become the version of yourself that doesn't just attract, but inspires. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more content that will change the game. See you in the next one.